So, hello everyone, I am Rahul Anand. Today I am going to deal with you a new case on Indian Contract Act 1872, and the case name is Gajanam Moreshwar versus Moreshwar Madan, and it is an important case for the section 124 and 125 of Indian Contract Act, which deals with the contract of indemnity. After watching this video, you will know what is indemnifier and who is indemnified and who is indemnity holder. So let's begin with the facts. Actually, in the year 1934, the plaintiff, who is Gajanam Moreshwar, had a lease agreement with the Bombay Municipal Corporation for a period of 999 years. Then Moreshwar Madan has went to the Gajanam Moreshwar, means the defendant has went to the petitioner asking for the land on lease for the construction purposes, and agreeing his request, Gajanam Moreshwar has given him a piece of land for the construction purpose. Then Moreshwar Madan has went to the Kesav Das, who is a construction material supplier. Then Mr. Kesav Das has given construction materials to the Moreshwar Madan, and on request of the payment, that is of rupees 5,000, Moreshwar Madan has went to the Gajanam Moreshwar and told that he may keep the land on lease in front of Mr. Kesav Das. Sorry, not in lease, actually to keep on the mortgage in front of Kesav Das for 1 year. Okay, and agreeing on his request, Gajanam Moreshwar kept his land on mortgage in front of Mr. Kesav Das. Then what happened? After 1 year, as you know, the mortgage was kept for the 1 year, and after some time, once again the construction material was sent to the Moreshwar Madan, and once again Moreshwar Madan has went to the Gajanam Moreshwar and told to keep his land in mortgage in front of the Mr. Kesav Das. Means he has the petitioner has kept 2 times his land as mortgage in front of Mr. Kesav Das. Okay, that means the payment of Mr. Moreshwar Madan was due for the rupees was 10,000. Then what happened that when the time was about to end for the repayment of the due of the mortgage, as the Moreshwar Madan told, but Moreshwar Madan showing no interest to pay the amount of the mortgage. Then feeling some nervousness about his land, the petitioner Gajanam Moreshwar has went to the Moreshwar Madan and asked for the money and release the land which was on mortgage. Then Moreshwar Madan has declined his request, saying that actually the Gajanam Moreshwar has not got any actual damage. Then what happened? Gajanam Moreshwar has went to the court, and the case was held on that only. And the question here raised that whether the plaintiff discloses any cause of action, and whether the suit was premature, and the third question was whether there needs to be an actual loss to claim money from the indemnifier. So let's analyze the issue one by one. So the First is so whether the plaintiff discloses any cause of action. In this case, if you read the section 124 and 125, it is clear that the liability of the indemnifier is only restricted to that thing which is damaged due to the indemnifier or the third party. So, and it is not mentioned that if there is any conduct, if there is any conduct which is incurred by something done by the indemnified at the request of the indemnifier. यानी कि अगर कुछ ऐसा काम हुआ है जो कि indemnifier रिक्वेस्ट के कारण उसको लॉस हो रहा है, तो इस चीज़ का मेंशन हमारे बेयर एक्ट में नहीं है। तो इसी चीज़ को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसको बोला कि नहीं, हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट सिर्फ इसे मेंशन नहीं करता है कि सिर्फ इंडेमनिफायर के कारण जो लॉस होगा उसको ही सिर्फ इस लाइबल माना जाएगा इंडेमनिफायर को, बल्कि इसमें वो भी बात आएगी जो कि उससे डायरेक्टली डैमेज नहीं हुआ है, बल्कि उसके अलावा और भी जो उसने बोला उसके वजह से किसी इनडायरेक्ट वजह उसके बोला है, उसके वजह से जो इनडायरेक्ट कारण बना है उसके वजह से भी अगर लॉस होता है उसे भी इसमें इंक्लूड किया जाएगा। ठीक है, तो so due to which here what happens that the defendant had to give the money, that is 10,000 to the Mr. Kesav Das, and along with that he had to return his the land which is mortgaged to the Mr. Kesav Das to the petitioner. Okay, then second issue, whether the suit was premature. Then in this case the court says that if the petitioner come to the court, then this case is not premature, so it is purely matured, and for that reason defendant had to pay his money, and it is purely an absolute liability. So, and one thing has happened that the court did not accept the defendant's stance that the plaintiff has not suffered any loss and thus couldn't claim. Okay, and what happened, and the very interesting fact has that one thing has held that the indemnity holder has right apart from those mentioned within the section. This is the very important fact that the very important fact here is that indemnity holder has right, means indemnity holder has the right apart from those mentioned within the sections, in that is sections in 124 and 125. Okay, so this was the case. So now here let's clarify the indemnified, indemnified and indemnity. For example, if you take our insurance policy, then you are the indemnity holder or the indemnified, and the insurance company is the indemnifier. Okay, means you are the promisee and the इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज द प्रोमिसर। यानी कि इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आपको ये बोलता है कि आपको अगर कुछ भी हेल्थ इशू होता है यानी या फिर आपका कुछ भी एक्सीडेंट होता है उसका भरपाई कौन करेगा? इंश्योरेंस कंपनी। इसीलिए उसे उसे बोला जाएगा इंडेमनिफायर एंड यू आर द इंडेमनिफाइड और द इंडेमनिटी होल्डर। और यहाँ पर वो है थर्ड पार्टी कौन होगा जिसके वजह से आपको लॉस होगा, या तो किसी एक्सीडेंट की वजह से या किसी थर्ड पार्टी का किसी एक्शन के वजह से आपको लॉस होता है, तो भी जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है वो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करती है, इसलिए वो हो जाएंगे इंडेमनीफायर। ठीक है। और यहाँ पर एक चीज़ और है इंडेमनीफायर और इंडेमनीफाइड में, इसमें ये बोला जाता है कि जो अगर इंडेमनीफायर के वजह से इंडेमनीफाइड को लॉस होता है, उस केस में भी वो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे। ठीक है। ये मैंने एक एग्जांपल लिया था इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का, ये बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जांपल है, इससे सब लोग समझ जाते हैं। सो दिस वाज फॉर द टुडे। होप all the doubts have been cleared in your mind about the indemnifier, indemnified and indemnity holder, and I have dealt about the case that is Gajanam Moreshwar and Moreshwar Madan. So hope all things are cleared. Thank you, and please subscribe for the new updates, and we will meet you again. Thank you.